Hello everyone, in this video I'll guide you through how to update your iPhone. First, find out settings. As you can see, settings apps. Just open up settings and then scroll down little bit until you see general. As you can see general, click on it and then just simply click on software update. If you have any update, then it will be show up on this page. So as you can see, I have update. So now if I just want to update my iPhone, I will just click on update now, and it will take pretty much time, like 10 to 20 minutes. So just click on it, update now, and it will start updating. While updating, don't use your phone, just put it on your side. So thank you so much for watching.